Welcome back to our YouTube page, Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. We have a 26-foot DK model here to show you. Totally custom with a fiberglass front cap. It's packed with everything you need and then some. It's got a 21-foot awning here on the passenger side. It's got a larger 4x3 bay window here on the passenger side. It even has a barbecue grill propane quick connect right here in the rear. It's got a 30-gallon fuel tank, two 5,200-pound axles. The dry weight on this trailer is 6,800 pounds. And for all you guys camping off-grid, it's got a 4,000-watt Cummins Onan gas generator to recharge your batteries, run the air conditioner, microwave, or all the outlets in the trailer. It has our standard 6-gallon propane water heater. And this is pretty cool. It's a hot and cold spray port with a garden hose attachment that you can just spray the kids off, your toys, or any pets. It's got 100 gallons fresh, 50 gray, and 50 black. Storage is always a nice feature, so we added this front nose bump out storage for fishing poles, chairs, barbecue grills, really anything that can fit in that space. On the front end here, we've got an electric tongue jack, two 30-pound bottles, battery cutoff switch, and two 6-volt batteries to get you maximum power. Gets you 224 amp hours on this trailer. We've also installed a couple of our 1,000 lumen floodlights, so it'll light up this whole side here at night. We've got a larger grab bar here, and let's show you the inside. Once the toys are out, you want to set yourself up to where it's nice and comfy. Here are two Euro recliners, nice big window, and then a 6-foot overhead cabinet above. Here on this Happy Jack bed system, we've got an actual king size bed, you guys. So I know you're used to seeing a queen, but we upgraded that to a king. We've got a 6-foot overhead cabinet and then a 6-foot sofa below that turns into a bed as well. And here's the view of the TV. You can see it nicely from everywhere in the back there. It's a smart TV, it's got all your apps. So let's show you the front end here in this kitchen. Got plenty of storage. This is our Nantucket white cabinet. And if you want, we can build you one of these Formica sink covers. So when you're not using the sink, you can create more counter space to work with. It's got a 3-burner cooktop with oven. It's also got a glass top cover to it. Over here we got your radio / DVD player. Some more storage here below. There's your water heater. Nice deep pull-out drawers, guys. So that's a full depth drawer. Pulls out 20 inches. So you can actually fit quite a bit in there. Plenty of storage up above. So it is in this L shape for storage. You got a 6 cubic foot propane and 110 operated fridge. So those shelves are adjustable. And yeah, if you dry camp, you use propane. If you hook up, you just use the 110. Got an added storage cabinet here for a crock pot or coffee maker, your 30 amp panel, and then a furnace down below. You can control it right here with this thermostat on the wall. You've got your air conditioner and furnace controls there. AC is up here in the ceiling. Now let's show you this bathroom here. This is a custom sized bathroom. We added some more space here around the toilet to where there's a 3x3 foot space around this porcelain toilet. It's got a 3x2 tub / shower, a medicine cabinet, and a fantastic fan in the ceiling above. So that's one great thing about building a custom toy hauler is you get to choose what's important to you and create where you want your space. This toy hauler has a 7-foot ramp door in the rear, so it makes it super easy for loading. And if you haven't noticed by now, the best part about this floor plan is that it has so much cargo. It has 20.5 feet from the ramp door all the way up to this bathroom wall over here. So you can fit everything you want.